Skechi Patel, Microbiology Class 2117, Video Essay Question 2, 10 September 2020. As we all know that protein synthesis occur in a two-stage, transcription and a translation. In transcription, genetic information in a DNA is copied and transcription occur in a cell nucleus. In a translation, the information is used by the cell to make a more protein structure, and translation is occur in a cytoplasm. Ciprofloxacin, erythromycin, and acyclovir all are the antimicrobial drug. The first question is what stage in a protein synthesis are inhibited by each drug? The answer is ciprofloxacin is inhibit a DNA gyrase enzyme, which is important for the DNA replication. And DNA replication occur in a cytoplasm. So translation stage is affected by the ciprofloxacin. Erythromycin inhibit protein synthesis in a ribosome, and ribosome stays in a cytoplasm. So the translation stage is also inhibited by the erythromycin. Acyclovir inhibit DNA and RNA synthesis, and thymidine kinase enzyme play a main role to alter and convert acyclovir into the fall nucleotide. And thymidine kinase enzyme stays in a cytoplasm and mitochondria. So translation stage is affected by the acyclovir. So ciprofloxacin, erythromycin, and acyclovir, all three drugs affect translation stage of protein synthesis. The second question is what drug is more effective against the bacteria and why? The answer is erythromycin is more effective against the bacteria because it inhibits the protein synthesis by the reaction with the 58 portion in ribosome, and it will inhibit the formation of the peptide bond in a polypeptide chain. Also, erythromycin is a no penetration in a gram-negative cell, so it has a really strong effect on the gram-positive bacteria. The third question is which drug is more effective against the virus and why? The answer is acyclovir is more effective against the virus because when cell is infected with the virus, thymidine kinase enzyme altered and convert acyclovir into the fall nucleotide, and it is blocked the process of DNA polymers. The fourth question, which drug will have effect on the host cell and why? Acyclovir has no effect on a non-infected cell, so it has no effect on a host cell or human body. Erythromycin is effect on the prokaryotic ribosome, and human body is made of by the eukaryotic cell, so it has no harmful effect on a human body or the host cell. Ciprofloxacin effect on the DNA gyrase enzyme, and microbes and a human body cell possess with a different enzyme instead of the DNA gyrase, so it does not have the same toxic effect on the human body or the host cell. The fifth question is use the index to identify the disease for which acyclovir is used. Then acyclovir is an antiviral drug, and it has a really good effect on the herpes virus. So herpes zoster, herpes simplex, genital herpes, cold sore, shingles, chickenpox, and herpes encephalitis is treated by the acyclovir. Thank you.